हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल विच इज़ ऑल अबाउट एनसीईआरटी। आप लोग देख ही रहे होंगे कि हम बहुत दिनों से वी आर ओनली अपडेटिंग द वीडियोस रिलेटेड टू साइंस, मैथ्स एंड हिंदी, राइट? लेकिन नाउ you are having class 8th English and also social science. Today we are going to start our geography first chapter, which is resources. We will read today 2 pages and we'll understand what is written and what are resources. First of all, dear students, I wanted to ask you, what do you understand by the word resources? Sometimes your mother said this is very important resource which I have kept since 18 years. What is that resource? Right? So resource is nothing but the thing that is valuable to us, and that the thing which we use in our daily lives. Yes, valuable thing. For example, you can write value to, I don't know, but my stylus pen is lagging from 5-6 days. I don't know why, but yes, it's lagging. Valuable, sorry, able things. ठीक है, valuable things are called resources which are useful to us. Okay, now let's read the story. As you all know, the NCERT books always start with a beautiful story, right? So here is also a story. Mona and Raju were helping Amma to clean their house. Okay, now Mona and Raju are two children which we are imagining right now. Okay, imagine that there are two children, Mona and Raju. Okay, they are helping to their Amma. Amma in sense means that your mother, you can imagine. Okay, look at all these things: clothes, utensils, food grains, combs, this bottle of honey, books. Each of these has a use, said Mona. ये जो सारी चीज़ें हैं, dear students, you all use them, right? For example, clothes are the things that you wear in your body. Then utensils are something in which you eat or keep something related to liquid, right? Then food grains are the grains which are used to make food. Then comb is used to, make your hair. And the bottle of honey, sometimes you used to eat it regularly, one teaspoon, right? And books are something which we used to read. So these all have something value that makes the sense, means they are having utility, they are usable, they are used by something, and that's why they are having the value. And the things which are having values and they are usable, they have utility. I will come across these all terms. Don't worry, dear children. Right now I am just explaining you the things which are usable to us, which are valuable to us. Okay, these all are resources, right? Now see, these are resources. Amma ne kaha, what is a resource? I've already given you the answer of this question, right? Was Raju's question to Amma anything that can be used to satisfy a need is called resource. This most simpler method, जो चीज़ हमें satisfied कर सकती है, यानी कि हमें संतुष्ट, हिंदी में I am explaining you, संतुष्ट कर सकती है, उसे हम resource कहते हैं. Replied Amma. Look around you and observe. You will be able to identify many types of resources. The water you drink when you are thirsty, the electricity you use in your house, the rickshaw you use to get home from school, the textbook you use to study are all your resources, right, dear students? Water you drink, these are the valuable resources, right? Electricity we use in our house on daily basis, right? Rickshaw is something that we use to go school and come again at home. I know that some children may go from bus, but since rickshaw is also having something very important, valuable, right? So these all are having something important in them, and hence these are called resources. Water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable and textbooks have something in common, right? What is that common thing? they have all been used by you, right? ये सब हम चीज़ यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है? So they have utility because they are used. I was saying these terms utility. That time you will be surprised at what ma'am is saying utility. I have never listened this term before that. But now you come across that utility is something which is used by us, right? Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource, okay? Usability or utility, any term you can use. How does something become a resource? Raju now wanted to know. Now see, in science, Bujo is very curious, and in this geography, Raju is very curious, right? So Raju wanted to know, how does something become a resource, Amma? Amma told the children that things become resource only when they have a value. जब उनके पास कोई value है, उन्हें हम use कर रहे हैं, right? It use or utility gives its a value. If it's usable, obviously it is having the value, and people are buying that particular thing, right? Now you will say, ma'am, water we doesn't buy. If we get water from our tap, but water also there is a water bill, right? Dear students, you must have heard your parents paying that water bill in every month. Okay? So that add value. Okay, now see, all resources have some values, right? You take pen for writing your notes, or you take pen for writing your homework. The pen is having the value, right? Pen is usable, pen is having utility, and hence pen is having value. That's a simple concept. Okay, value means worth. What is worth? Dear children, worth is something that you gift. Okay, some resources have economic value. Okay, economic value means when you are selling them, you are getting money also, and you are economically. Now this word economic means something related to money and all. Okay, these terms you will learn later in class 9th that are very important, dear students. Now see, some do not. Okay, for example, metals may have economic value because metals are used in many things, right? Making, simple things like your tables, and also your pencil box also sometimes metals are used. And if you see your simple things like almirah, and these all things are made from metals, right? Now see, a beautiful landscape it cannot have a economic value because it is not made in many ways. Okay, both are important and satisfy human needs. Yes, this is a true thing. Both satisfy, दोनों संतुष्ट करते हैं, right? Glossary, you will see, dear children, patent. This word is come across your book right now. So patent, it means the exclusive right over any idea or invention. Okay, it has come in this last paragraph. Some resources can become economically valuable with time. Means right now they are not valuable. We are not valuing them because we don't know that what is the actual idea of that particular resource. Like your grandma remedies. What are remedies, dear children? Remedies are something which are beneficial. Means you must have seen your grandma when you're sick. She makes her own, kadha or some health drink, some medicine. She says that you drink this kadha, you will be fine in just minutes. So that all remedies are not having values. But in time, when it is researched in scientist lab, and if it is proved that these remedies are very good for the health, then of course they will have the economic value, right? So remedies have no commercial values today. I have already told you about that. But their patent means exclusive idea over any idea or invention. could become valuable. These all things I have told you. Okay, dear students. Now see, we will read till here important resource, and then tomorrow I am going to tell you types of resources, dear students. Okay? Time and technology are two important factors that can change substances into resources. Time. What is time, dear students? Can you describe it me in the comment section? Time is nothing but something that is continuously moving. And time, you all know, right? समय, जो हर समय चलते रहता है, right? Technology. Technology is something that you are inventing new things means technology is changing, it's moving, right? Factors are important to change the substances into resources. This is very important, dear students. You have to pay attention, okay? Both are related to the needs of people. दोनों ही people की needs के लिए available है. Time भी and technology भी, right? Time समय के साथ आपकी जो चीज़ जो valuable नहीं है वो भी valuable बन जाती है, right? That thing also become valuable. Like your grandma's remedies, which we talk about just now, it become valuable after some time, but it become according to time. And then technology, if you want, then some scientists take your grandma's remedies and then mix with chemicals, then they invent something new which is more usable, more beneficial than your grandma's remedies. This is technology, how they are inventing new things, right? People themselves are important resource. See here, little girl is mother is saying a very valuable one. So I am a resource too. Yes, human itself are resource because they are having their ideas, knowledge, inventions and discovery that lead to creation of more resources. Okay. ये सब क्या होता है, नई resources बनाते हैं because humans are having skills, ideas, knowledge, etc. Each discovery or invention leads to many others. Okay, एक discovery या invention करा तो उससे कितनी सारी और चीज़ें बन सकती हैं. The discovery of fire led to the practice of cooking and ultimately resulted in the development of dear students. Practice of cooking and other processes, while the invention of wheel ultimately resulted in development of newer mode of transport. The fire जब developed हुआ था, what we start doing? We start cooking food. We doesn't eat the raw materials, right? And that when wheel was developed, the transport, newer ways of transport means new ways of transport were developed there, right? Then if we come to here, the technology to create hydroelectricity. Can you name why the name is written hydroelectricity? Because hydro sphere you have learned in class 7th, it is related to water, right? Surface which is water in the earth, that is hydrosphere, and that's why the name is hydroelectricity. Okay, has turned the energy in fast flowing water into an important resource. Nowadays, who doesn't use hydroelectricity, right? So electricity means fast flowing water has turned into the hydroelectricity. That is very amazing fact, dear students. Here is a glossary for you. Technology, it is the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. Okay, technology आप सबको पता है, लेकिन फिर भी इसने glossary दिए, so you have to remember whenever your exam comes, you have to revise these glossaries also, because sometimes one word answers are made from these glossaries only. Types of resource. Now types of resource we will read tomorrow, but I will give you general idea. Resources are of 3 types: natural, human made and human. We'll read it tomorrow, dear students. I hope that everything is clear to you and you are happy too, because I have explained very nicely, dear students. I'm telling you, I have explained all from my heart, and this explanation which I have done is only for you. So what you have to do, dear students, whenever my new video comes, you wanted to know that when my ma'am new video comes, so you have to just subscribe my channel. Any video that will come the latest, you will see that. If it's not related to your class, so don't worry, dear students, you'll get your class videos too soon, because nowadays we are focusing on many classes, right? 6th, 7th, 8th, these are our main classes, and we have to focus in three of these. So that's why some time we need to recover, because for now I wanted to tell you this, class 8th graders, that only for class 8th I am opening social science, English and Sanskrit classes too. All subject classes class 8th student will get, but for other classes like 6th and 7th, these will right now, the sufficient time is not available, so they will get only Hindi classes. Okay dear students, thank you for watching the video, and do share it and like it, subscribe too.